Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Rena Syabaru Subakti. In this video presentation, I will explain my final project for the course Technology Integration into Language Learning. The title of my lesson plan is describing daily routines using digital learning tools. This lesson plan focus on integrating technology into English language teaching, especially to improve students' speaking skill through several digital tools. And this presentation, I will explain the learning objective, TPEC framework application, SMR model mapping, LMS integration, and technology categories used, and my reflection about designing this technology in Chajat lesson. Alright, moving to the second slide, I will explain the learning objective of this lesson. The lesson is designed for junior high school students, especially grade 7 students with beginner English level. By the end of this lesson, students are expected to achieve 3 objectives. First, students will be able to describe their daily routine using appropriate vocabulary and simple present tense accuracy. And the second is students will be able to practice their speaking skill by creating and presenting their own daily routine description using digital tools. And the last is third, students will be improve their pronunciation and speaking confidence through AI-based speaking practice. The main focus of this lesson is not only learning English content but also encouraging students to actively use technology as a part of their learning process. Next, I will explain the TPEC framework application in this lesson. TPEC consists of 3 important components: technological knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and the content language. First is technological knowledge. In the lesson, I use 3 digital tools like Google Document, Canva, and the last is Tumblr. Google Document is used for writing and collaboration activity. Canva is used to create visual presentation, and Tumblr is used to practice speaking skill and receive AI-based feedback. And the second is pedagogical knowledge. The teaching approach use student central learning and collaborative learning. Students are not only receiving information from the teacher, but they actively create their own sentence, practice speaking, and share their ideas. And the last is third is content knowledge. The English material focus on daily routines, vocabulary related to daily activities, simple present tense, and speaking expression. Therefore, an integration of technology teaching method and language content creates a meaningful English learning experience. The SMR model mapping. The SMR model explains how technology transforms learning objective into different language. The first tool is Google Documents. Google Documents is used for students to write and edit their daily routine sentence. This tool is categorized as substitution because it relapses traditional handwriting worksheet with digital learning. And the second tool is Canva. Canva is used to create student presentation about their daily routines. It belongs to the modification level because student can be combine text, images, and design elements to create a more creative learning product. And the last is third tool is Stimulr. Stimulr is categorized as redefinition because it provides a new learning experience. Students can be practice speaking independently and receive AI feedback about their pronunciation and fluency. Through these 3 tools, technology does not only relapse traditional activity but also create a new learning opportunity. Okay, And now I will explain the LMS integration in this lesson. For the lesson support the learning process in their main area. First is the learning content. The teacher upload learning materials such as vocabulary list, grammar explanations, and example of daily routine expression. The second is managing tasks and communication. The teacher use the LMS to share instructions, announcement, and assignment deadlines. Third is assessment and feedback. Students submit their assessment through the LMS, and the teacher provides feedback based on students' speaking performance and the learning products. This lesson also applies the 9 event of instructions. The lesson began with guiding students' attention through a video, followed by explaining objective, presenting material, practicing activity, providing feedback, assessment, and reflection. Therefore, the LMS helps organize the learning process effectively. On this slide, I will explain the technology categories used in this lesson. The first tool is Google Document, which belongs to the word processing and collaborative category. It supports students in writing, editing, and working together. And the second tool is Canva, which belongs to the multimedia presentation category, and it helps students create attractive visual presentation to support their speaking performance. And the last is third tool is Stimuler, which belong to the AI-based language learning category. It supports speaking practice by providing feedback related to pronunciation and fluency. The third tool is Stimuler, which belong to the AI-based language learning category. It supports speaking practice by providing feedback related to pronunciation and fluency. For the reflection, designing this technology integrated lesson plan gave me a better understanding of how technology can support English language learning. One of the benefits is that students can become more active and independent learners. The combination of Google Documents, Canva, and Stimuler creates opportunity for students to practice different language skills in a changing way. For example, students may have different level of digital skills, internet connection problems, and they might need teacher guidance when using new technology. As a future English teacher, I learned that technology should not replace teacher. Instead, technology should be used as a tool to support effective teaching and create better learning experience. Okay, that is the end of my presentation about my technology integrated lesson plan. Thank you very much for watching and listening to my presentations. I hope this lesson plan show how digital tools can be integrated effectively into English language teaching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.